Welcome to Beauty Nail Hair. In this segment, we will be discussing the fascinating world of ombre nails. Ombre nails have taken the beauty industry by storm, offering a stunning gradient effect that adds a touch of elegance to your nails. Today, we will explore the essential products you need to achieve this captivating nail trend. Let's dive into the world of ombre nails and discover the products that will help you create this mesmerizing look. The first item on our list is nail polish. To achieve the perfect ombre effect, you will need 2 to 3 shades of the same color family. Consider selecting shades that are close in value but not identical, allowing for a seamless transition from light to dark. Additionally, you will require a base coat to protect your nails and create a smooth canvas for the ombre design. Don't forget the top coat, which will seal in your beautiful ombre nails and provide a long-lasting finish. Alongside your nail polishes, a nail art brush or sponge will be your best companion in creating the gradient effect. These tools will help you seamlessly blend the shades together, achieving that flawless transition from one color to another. It's essential to have a nail polish remover on hand for any touch-ups or corrections during the process. Cotton balls or pads will come in handy for gentle removal. As you embark on your ombre nail journey, remember to prioritize nail care. Keep your cuticles hydrated by using cuticle oil regularly. A cuticle pusher and scissors will assist in maintaining the desired nail length and shape. Now that we've explored the essential products for ombre nails, let's recap the key items you'll need. 2 to 3 shades of nail polish in the same color family. Base coat and top coat. Nail art brush or sponge. Nail polish remover. Cotton balls or pads. Cuticle oil. Cuticle pusher. Scissors. With these products in your arsenal, you're ready to embark on your ombre nail adventure. Get creative and experiment with different color combinations, express your unique style, and elevate your nail game.